How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple smoothie. Step 1 in the pineapple smoothie, you're going to add 5 to 8 cubes of ice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step number 2, this is where the smoothie gets its name. We're gonna add about 3 slices of pineapple. Now, ideally, actually, you would have cut the pineapple ahead of time and froze it. Once the pineapple is frozen, it kind of acts like ice and makes the smoothie more icy and cold overall. But me, I didn't have the foresight to do that, so we're gonna just have to do it at regular room temperature pineapple, which will still be fine. Sometimes it's hard to figure out when exactly a pineapple is going to be ripe, but here's a tip for you. They're actually ripe, like right in the store. I used to work in a grocery store when I was a kid, and we had to chop up the pineapples and sell them on like the a la carte thing. And even when the outside is like totally green and it doesn't look ripe at all, it actually is. We chopped them up green like that and they were already ready to go. Like this one, I only waited like a week and it's already kind of overripe. All right, there are 3 slices pineapple. Toss that in there. All right, next thing we're gonna add is half an orange. Chop that thing in half. All right, toss that half an orange in there. All right, next step, add a container of yogurt. Now, basically whatever yogurt you have is gonna be fine. Today, I think I have strawberry yogurt. All right, dump that strawberry yogurt in there. All right, the next step is kind of a special secret ingredient. We're gonna add 3 scoops of ice cream. Make sure it's vanilla. All right, the 3 scoops are in there. We're moving on to the final step. Orange juice. Take the orange juice, figure out the height of your contents of your blender, and fill it up about 1/4 of the way up. Whatever you do, don't fill it up more than that. It's easier to add some extra orange juice if the consistency isn't right, but you can't subtract, obviously. So add 1/4 or less. Kind of like that. All right, we're gonna blend this bad boy up. Oh, are you guys ready for this? Just like that, there's your pineapple smoothie. And until next time, I will see you guys later.